Welcome to our tech tutorial today. We are diving into how to set up your Zettle card reader for 2025, ensuring you can streamline your payment process effortlessly, whether you are a small business owner or an entrepreneur. This guide will help you get started quickly and efficiently. First things first, let's unbox your Zettle card reader. Inside the box, you will find the card reader itself, a charging cable, and a quick start guide. Make sure everything is there before moving on. Before we can set it up, we need to charge the device. Connect the USB-C cable to the card reader and plug into a power outlet. A sound will indicate that it's charging. Let it charge fully for optimal performance. Once charged, press the power button located at the top of the device. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin the initial setup. Important: ensure you are connected to a Wi-Fi network during this process for a smooth setup experience. Next, download the Zettle app from your device's app store. This app is crucial as it allows to manage transactions and settings directly from your smartphone or tablet. Open the Zettle app and navigate to Settings, select Card Readers, then tap on Connect Card Reader. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair your card reader with your app. Once paired, take a moment to customize your settings. You can adjust language preferences, location settings, and even set up daily restart times for optimal performance. Now that everything is set up, let's process your first payment. Simply select an item in the app, enter the amount on the present card reader to your customer for payment via swipe or contactless method. And there you have it. You're now ready to accept payment seamlessly with your Zettle card reader. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Happy selling! By following these steps, you will enhance your payment system and improve customer satisfaction in no time.